Alright guys, so as the end of January quickly approaches, I wanted to get on here quickly and share my thoughts in regards to what to expect moving forward in regards to iOS 26.3 currently sitting in beta 2. We'll talk about the possibilities of a third beta, the RC, and the official release, but keep in mind that Apple is actively working on iOS 26.2.1. But again, as the end of the month is approaching, things could change a little. I wanted to get on here quickly to share with you guys what to expect moving forward. So let's go ahead and dive right in. Now, the first thing I want to talk about is iOS 26.2.1. I know a lot of you guys are looking forward to this one. This would be a minor software update to address some of the current issues on the latest iOS 26.2. We know that Apple has been actively working on this software update for a little over a week now, as both Mac rumors and a 9 to 5 Mac confirmed devices running this latest update visiting their website. Now, with that being said, in the past, Apple has tested software and never released. So what they do is they scrap the plans altogether, pack any bugs and issues that were going to be addressed with iOS 26.2.1, and pack it into the next software update. Now, we're not confirming this. We're not sure if Apple will be doing this. We were told that Apple planned to release iOS 26.2.1 last week, but we did have the massive carrier outage here in the United States with Verizon, and we also have Apple did release a new carrier bundle update for iOS 26.2, but did not release 26.2.1, which is a little bit odd. And now, if Apple plans to release iOS 26.2.1, that will most likely happen starting tomorrow, January the 20th. Keep in mind that today, on Monday, January the 19th, it is a federal holiday here in the United States, Martin Luther King Jr. Day, and if Apple was to release this new software update, it would happen anytime after tomorrow, January the 20th. Don't expect any beta or any software update today. I don't think Apple has ever released any updates, any betas on Martin Luther King Jr. Day. So let's talk about iOS 26.3. Now, starting next week, Apple will be releasing their new Creator Studio, and this will happen on January the 28th, which is a Wednesday. And that's where things get a little bit tricky. So as of right now, iOS 26.3 is currently sitting in beta 2. We could see a third beta this week alongside iOS 26.2.1, the official release. Now, if that was to happen, that means Apple will most likely release iOS 26.3 RC next week with an official release, perhaps early February. So we'll have to wait and see, because Apple could also scrap the plans altogether from releasing iOS 26.2.1, releasing iOS 26.3 RC this week, then the official release alongside Creator Studio on the 28th, and then we move forward from there. So this week will tell us everything we need to know. We're still waiting for Apple to decide whether they will release iOS 26.2.1 or not. If we see the RC for iOS 26.3 this week, we won't see iOS 26.2.1 at all, and everything jumps over to this next release, most likely happening alongside Apple's Creator Studio next Wednesday, the 28th. And there you guys have it. Just wanted to update you guys briefly on the latest software release. Don't expect anything today, Monday, January the 19th. As I mentioned, federal holiday here in the United States. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Peace.